Friends, how are you? This is Sanjeev Dhalaria and you are watching my YouTube channel SBM Computer Education. Today I am going to tell you about reporting in MS Access. Suppose you are working in an office and your boss asks you to generate a report, department-wise report. Department-wise report means all the employees of a particular department should come in a block, and at the end of block there should be a subtotal of basic salary, DA, CA, HRA, total salary, etc. And then second block of second department should come, and so on. And at the end of report, the grand total of basic salary, DA, CA, HRA should be printed, right? So how will you do that? I will tell you how to generate department-wise report. So let us start.
Okay, this is your file amp1, and from this file you want to create report department wise. Department wise means suppose this file has 125 total records of 4 departments: accounts department, sales, marketing and finance, right? So you want to create report department wise. So first of all, go to create and report design. Click on report design. This dialog box will come, and in this dialog box you have 3 sections. First, page header, then detail, and page footer, right? So you can, if you want more space in page header, you can drag this detail downwards like this, okay? And detail, if you want to minimize space of detail, then you drag page footer words like this. Okay, so these are your 3 sections: page header, detail and page footer. Now go to add existing fields. When you click on add existing fields, all the tables will display on your screen, and you choose your table from which you want to create report. AMP1, I selected AMP1, and you just click on plus sign. All the fields of this table will display, and just this AMP number, drag this field to this area, detail area, right? And you have 2 sections. First one is label. Just select label and delete. Press delete button from keyboard. We just need this field section, AMP number. Then one by one, then name, drag name to this area and drag all fields you want to in your report. Drag all fields one by one, name and then designation, department, basic, you have DACA, HRA, total salary also, but you want only these fields in your report, then you can stop over here. Now you want department wise salary report. So this is your simple report. Now if you want to group, you need to group for department wise salary report. So click on group and sort, and add a group. Now select the fields department. You select the department. You see department header will come to this dialog box, and department header, you drag this department field to department header. You can create more space to department header also by dragging detail downwards. Now these are fields names, and the data will come through these fields name. Now we will give headings to these fields. How? Through labels. In design tab, click on label, and label, first of all, main heading like company name ABC Private Limited. You can increase size of text and color. You can give color through home tab, and like I selected red color, bold, size, whichever size you want to give to this text. I gave just 26th, or you can 34. Now you need to give headings to fields. So first of all, department. In department header, you will write department, go to label and just click over here and write department. This is heading for department. And for other fields, you need to give headings in page header. So labels, so first field is employee number. You can write employee, you can write complete employee number, and just give space, and name, give space, designation, then some space, and basic. Right? So these are headers, and you can increase size, and you can make it bold. You can give color to this text. Right? So this is your department wise salary report. Now in footer section, if you want to generate subtotals, so click on basic fields and design, and total, click on totals, sum. So this is your subtotal, department footer and report footer. You can write label over here, subtotal and total. Department footer, you write subtotal of salary, and report, this is your grand total. And just save this report. You can give date and time also. Click on save. Report 2 will get generated, and double click on this. This is your report, department, accounts department, and you have accounts department employees, list of accounts department, and then subtotal of basic salary. This is subtotal, and in report footer you have grand total also. Okay, so this was your report department wise. I hope you understood each and every.
Okay friends, this was how to create department by salary report. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, please like, share and comment, and if you are new user, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon.